MiniRalen is a plastic casing intended for cooked frankfurters, Viennese, and similar types of sausage. Its basic properties include precise caliber after stuffing, minimum permeability for water and steam, and close to zero losses after heat processing. MiniRalen strands are always delivered in a form ready for immediate use, identified as RTU. This means that the strands do not have to be soaked and are ready for stuffing immediately after removal from the bag. Casing packed in this way is protected against mechanical damage during transportation. Manipulation of the block of strands is much easier than with products in bulk packaging. Vacuum packaging makes it possible to guarantee the same stuffing parameters 12 months from the date of strand production. In order to guarantee 1 year shelf life of strands, thorough attention is paid to the protection of properties of each individual strand. During packaging, the strands are treated with inert gas and packed in vacuum. This reduces the oxygen level from 22% to 0.3%. Such packaging ensures long-term protection against bacteria and stable stuffing performance. In addition, it allows the customer to reseal the pack with unused strands. KCE end. It is a manually tied end that allows the customer to use 100% length of the casing in a strand because the first sausage is a full link and the operator does not modify it in any way. Correct setup of the stuffing machine enables the same grammage of the first sausage as on the other sausages to be achieved. There is a price upcharge for this option. TCE end. It is a machine-closed end of the strand, helping the automatic stuffing machine operators to make the first link. The operator then ties the first sausage and fixes it together with another tube on a stick. OE end. It is an open end and offers the cheapest option for a customer. It is necessary for the operator to tie a knot on the first sausage manually prior to stuffing. It is an operation after which the first 3 sausages are fixed to a stick. Nominal calibers of MiniRalen casing stated in the accompanying documentation represent recommended stuffing calibers. Overstuffing is within the competence of each customer. However, DEVRO slack-off guarantees the best behavior of the casing only when stuffed to the recommended caliber. For example, this means that for nominal caliber 16, the recommended stuffing caliber is 16, for caliber 18, 18, and so on. Depending upon the equipment used, each product needs the correct thermal processing. Our technicians will help you to fine-tune this process directly in your plant or demonstrate the whole procedure in our test kitchen. Thus, the basic heat processing programs and recommendations are provided using the assistance of our technicians. Manufacturing of the plastic casing MiniRalen is a highly technological matter. The production cycle has 3 stages: extrusion, printing, and shearing. During extrusion, an endless tube with high longitudinal and transverse strength is manufactured by orientation of a mixture of polymers. A computer controls the whole process. The printing process can transfer any graphic or photo design to the casing surface. During shearing, the casing length of 16.8, 27.6, and 33 meters is compressed to 20 to 30 centimeter strands. There is a clear efficiency of such strands for stuffing. MiniRalen quality is strictly controlled at every stage of the manufacturing cycle. Granulates and other basic raw materials pass through carefully quality control in order to guarantee a trouble-free manufacturing cycle. During extrusion, a contact caliber wall thickness and stretch parameters of the casing are very carefully monitored. The RTU process and bacterial cleanliness of every meter of casing is monitored. Fundamental attention is paid to hygienic conditions of manufacturing. The company is audited regularly by recognized certification authorities according to standards for quality, ecology, safety, and food manufacture. Food safety. For DEVRO, it is a guarantee of the hygienic cleanliness of the product, a principal element in the food industry. The end customer requires absolute assurance that the product has not been contaminated during manufacture, transportation, or sale. MiniRalen is barrier-free with a casing that protects the product against aging, oxidation, bacterial decomposition, and contamination. A consumer purchasing a sausage stuffed with this casing, peeling it off at home, gets a product untouched from the moment of preparation until the time of consumption. This is an advantage over peeled sausages sold on different trays, wrapped in foil or vacuum bags. Thus, an end customer can be sure that the product is safe to eat, and this is an invaluable assurance these days.